Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be solving this problem here, okay, to find the value of x. As we can see here guys, the second term here is the inverse of the first one and vice versa, right? So I'm going to keep the first one and work on the second one. So this is then 5 minus cos all to the power of pi to the pi to the pi, and then plus. And this one here, I can write this as 1 over 5 . Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna find the common denominator here. So I'm gonna multiply this one times this one, right? And then multiply this one times this one here, right? But we have to remember that this denominator here, obviously it has to be different from 0, right? And so let's keep going guys. So now this one times this one, we're gonna have this one to the power of 2. So this is 5 minus cos I'm gonna keep this squared, right? Look, I'm gonna multiply this one times this one, and I'm gonna bring this one to the left side. So I'm gonna say minus 2 times 5 minus cos pi x divided by 3 plus cos pi x, and then this one to the power of pi, and now I'm gonna be with 1 here, right? This is plus 1, and then this is equal 0. If you can see here guys, this problem is really simple because this is a perfect square, right? It's like we have something, let's say a to the power of 2 minus 2a, which is this one here, and then plus 1 equals 0. So what is this? This is a perfect square. And what is this square? This is a minus 1 to the power of 2, right? This one here. So we're going to apply this one here. So this means that 5 minus cos pi x over 3 plus cos pi over x to the power of pi to the pi to the pi minus 1, this is to the power of 2, and then this is equal 0, right? So square root of 0 is 0, and then we're gonna send this one to the right side of the equation. So we're gonna have then 5 minus cos pi to the pi x divided by 3 plus cos to the pi x. This is gonna be 1. And now we're gonna multiply, let me erase this one here. So now we have that this is 5 minus cos pi to the pi x. This is going to be equals to 3 plus cos pi to the pi x. And then just organizing the terms here, we're going to say then that this is going to be 5, right, minus 3, right, equals cos to pi x plus cos to the pi of x, and then we're gonna have this here 2, right? So I'm gonna just write, I'm gonna say okay, so I'm just gonna say that this is actually 2 cos of pi to the pi x equals 2, right? So from here we have that cos to the pi x is equal to 1, and this means that we gonna have this cosine, right? So pi to the pi x is gonna be equals to 2n pi, right? So from here we're gonna say that this one here is 2n times pi over pi to the pi to the pi, and then we're gonna send this one to the numerator. This is gonna be 2n pi times pi with the negative power minus pi to the pi. So our x then is gonna be what? 2n times pi to the power of 1 minus pi to the pi. Okay guys, so this is the solution for this problem here. So thank you for watching the video. This is a very simple problem, I think so, but it's a beautiful equation, right? And please let me know in the comment what you think of it, and see you next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.